In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 flat pattern error step by step so you can successfully unfold your sheet metal parts without frustration. This is a really common issue, especially if you're working with complex designs or importing geometry, and the good news is it's usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's quickly understand what this error actually means. A flat pattern error in Fusion 360 happens when the software cannot unfold your sheet metal part into a flat layout. In simple terms, Fusion is telling you that your design cannot physically exist as a flattened piece of metal based on the current geometry. This usually comes down to a few key issues. The first and most common cause is that your body is not actually a sheet metal body. Flat patterns only work inside the sheet metal workspace, so if you created your model in the solid workspace, Fusion won't be able to generate a flat pattern. To fix this, go to Modify, then click Convert to Sheet Metal. Select your body, choose an appropriate sheet metal rule, and confirm. Once converted, try creating the flat pattern again. Next, let's talk about invalid bends. If your bends are too tight, overlapping, or physically impossible, Fusion won't be able to unfold them. This often happens when the bend radius is too small compared to the material thickness. To fix this, check your bend radius and make sure it follows realistic manufacturing limits. A good rule of thumb is to keep the bend radius at least equal to the material thickness. Another common issue is incorrect or missing sheet metal rules. Fusion relies on these rules to calculate how the part unfolds. If the thickness, bend radius, or K-factor is off, the flat pattern may fail. To fix this, go to your sheet metal rules, edit the active rule, and verify that all values are realistic and consistent with your design. Now, let's look at geometry complexity. If your design has very small features, cuts too close to bends, or overly complex shapes, Fusion may struggle to generate the flat pattern. In this case, try simplifying your design. Remove unnecessary details, move cuts away from bend areas, or suppress features temporarily to see if the flat pattern works. If you're still getting errors, another effective method is to recreate the bends. Sometimes a specific flange or bend is causing the issue. Try deleting that feature and rebuilding it carefully using proper parameters. This can often resolve hidden geometry problems. Here's a quick tip to keep in mind. Flat pattern errors almost always happen because the part cannot be physically unfolded in the real world. So whenever you see this error, think about whether your design could actually be manufactured from a flat sheet of metal. And that's it. You now know how to diagnose and fix flat pattern errors in Fusion 360 step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Fusion 360 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.